Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to do an unboxing of my daughter's box. She's 12 and I ordered her the Pixie box. Now I love this box, the outside of this box. This is really cute. She already opened it. I haven't had a chance to look at it, but I told her to put everything back so I can unbox it. But anyways, so this is March 2020 Pixie box. Really, the box is really cute. I like that. So let's just get into it and see what we get. So it may have not come exactly like this, but basically you get the idea. She did unbox it today before I got home, so that's all right. So the first thing, I'm not seeing a list, but that's okay. We'll just list here. We'll go through it again. So the first thing she got was is these 3D glasses. Back in the day when we watched 3D movies, so that's fun. That's fun. You see now some Whoppers, big box, a big box of Whoppers. So that's fun. Next we have some socks. These are cute. Let's see, they have the popcorn theme as well. So the theme must be movie because they're just the glasses, candy, popcorn. So it must be popcorn or movies, but this is really cute here. Okay. This box is $30 a month. It's $29.99. Let's see what we got here. This is a bag tag. And I guess this is French fries. The color goes with the other items, but French fries and popcorn. But anyways, it's still fun. Just like a luggage tag. It's really cute. I like that. Okay. Next is vacay funds. Oh, this is cute. Vacay funds. It's a little, and you can put like a little school ID or something there. And then you have a little inside like this, a little change, pocket change, whatever. It's a little leather, or pleather maybe, but it's really cute. That's really cute. Okay. Next we have a Lollipop scented pen, movie popcorn. Oh, that's cute. I like that. So that's that. And then she has some Bubble Yum Lip Balm. Cute. Still that concession stand theme here, seems like. Twizzlers. I always have Twizzlers when I go to the movies, so that's cute. Twizzler Lip Balm. Sour Patch Kids Lip Balm, blue raspberry. Cute. And let's see. And I guess this is the last item. So I don't see a listing that tells you like the value of each item. And what is this? Oh, it's a little bag, like a little purse. Oh, okay. Let's see. Okay. Oh, so it's a little purse. So you have your outside like this. And it's popcorn. And you have the back side. And then you just have the inside like that. And it comes with a chain that you can hook on to the side. So let's do that real quick. Let's see what it looks like here. If I can get this. Okay. Oops. I'm so not good at stuff like this, but I try to do it so you can get a full effect of everything. Give me a second. Oh, there we go. And then you have the other one. Just a second. can get this. Oh, there we go. All right. Finally. Oh, it's pretty long. It's pretty long chain here. But that's really cute. I like that. My daughter doesn't carry purses, so I don't know what we'll do with this, but, and I think that was the last item. Yeah, that was the last item. So just to recap, we got the purse, we got the pen, the little wallet, the bag tag, socks, and candy, retro glasses, and then 3 lip balms. Candy lip balms, or candy flavored lip balms. And when I went on their page, the Pixie Box page, they had the purse listed for a price, and that was $15. I don't know if I would pay $15 for this if I was to purchase this. I know I wouldn't. I know I wouldn't. But I'm debating if this is really worth $30. Why, it's cute, and it is themed, which is great. I really like that when they stick to the theme, which they did with everything, pretty much. I don't know if it's worth $30 though. I'm gonna say no, it's not. So it seems quite high for the items that we got, because I'm sure these were less than $1 or $1 at the most. Even this too, I'm sure this was not too expensive. So anyways, will kids like it? Yes. Is it really worth the value? I don't think so. We'll give it one more shot. We'll do one more month and we'll see what we get, and then we'll decide whether we keep or get rid of it. I still like my One Girl, was it One Girl? Oh, I can't remember what it was. One Girl Inspired, sorry, One Girl Inspired. That box, now that box is an awesome box. So anyways, that was March 2020 Pixie Box, and tell me what you think. Thanks for joining me.